welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I have a Goodwill find. This is a computer armoire that I found at my local Goodwill. It was $24.99 and it is awesome because once I got it home, I cleaned it out with my shop vac and I also cleaned it with my Method Wood for Good cleaner. But while I was doing that, I said, you know what? This could actually make for an awesome Scrapbox DIY or alternative. I'm using it more for storage because I'm not going to be physically crafting from here, but I could if I wanted to, because you'll see the inside. It has the traditional computer armoire setup. So again, Goodwill, $24.99 is what I paid. I absolutely love this piece. I'm revamping one of my offices and was going to go to IKEA, but I'm so glad I stopped at the Goodwill. The inside looks like this. You have your typical setup, a place for your computer monitor, your 3 shelves at the top. That back piece was included. It's not a part of the original computer armoire though, so you can say I really stretched my dollars with this. My husband's just going to nail that to the outside so that I can go ahead and have some additional storage for papers. The doors also have some features. So the inside of the left door has a cork board and it has a little shelf so I can put my stick pins or whatever it is that I want to put on there, so that I can hang up some pictures for my children or important reminders. And then right there was a white piece that I actually need to put back on with some wood glue, and it was just a finisher so that when you close the doors you can't see the inside. The right hand side, this is what the inside of that door looks like. Again, it has a whiteboard and a little shelf where you can put some of your markers. Okay, I really love this. I might even have him put some more shelves in here for the top area, but the bottom part has that drawer that you can pull out for. It was really for a keyboard, so if you wanted to, you really could sit and craft at this computer armoire, and it really would be a Scrapbox DIY. The bottom shelves had the smaller one pulls out as well. That's where you will really put like a printer or additional papers, filers, whatever it is that you will want there. But this will be full of gorgeous craft supplies. So I really hope you all are inspired from this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.